Today's Tuesday tip shows you how to use AI to write or revise your Canvas announcements so they're clear, friendly, and easy to understand. Let's walk through it.
Start by opening your Canvas course and clicking on Announcements in the left-hand menu. Click the plus sign to create a new announcement. Type out a rough draft of your message. This doesn't need to be perfect. Just get your main idea down. When you're done, highlight and copy the text so you can bring it into Copilot.
Go ahead and open Copilot. You can access it through MyWings and Office 365. In the prompt box, paste the announcement you just wrote. Type something like, "Revise the following announcement to be warm, clear, and student-friendly. It's for a college-level course and will be posted in our learning management system. Keep it under 150 words." Review what Copilot generates. You can make small tweaks if needed, or ask for changes, like make it sound more encouraging, or simplify the language. Once it feels right, copy the final version.
Head back to your announcement editor in Canvas and paste in the revised version. Add a clear title so students know what it's about, and preview the message before posting. Click Save and Publish when you're ready.
A little polish can go a long way in keeping your students informed and connected. Let AI give your messages a boost.